Alright guys, welcome back. So in our previous video, we have already seen that how we can set up our Discord account and then link it to the Midjourney. So in this video, we are going to cover the plans and pricing for different varieties of user for the Midjourney. So let's get started. Here on our screen, this is the web page of midjourney.com/apps, and here if you just click on this button of purchase plan, now it will basically provide you three kind of plans. The very first is basic plan, which is $8 per month and it is billed yearly. So here on the top you have two categories. Either you can opt in for the yearly billing or the monthly billing. The features are same, but there is a slight price difference. So if you switch the tab, you can see for basic plan, if you want to pay the bill yearly, then it is $8, and if you want to explore it for a single month, then it is $10. So you can see there is a little bit difference of like $2 for basic plan, $6 for standard plan, and $12 for the pro plan. Now let's see what is the difference between the basic plan, standard plan, and the pro plan. So the very first feature of the basic plan is limited image generations, 200 images per month. It means if you want to generate more than 200 images, then you have to pay additional by using the credit top-ups. Alright, then the second thing is general commercial terms. It means you can use it anywhere, wherever you want, but there are a few terms associated with it if you want to use it for commercial purposes. Next is access to the members gallery. Member gallery is a place where all of the art generated by many users is accessible to you. You can access the library or the gallery and then take some inspiration to create your own artworks. Then we have the optional credit top-ups. It means once you exceed the limitation of 200 per month, after that what you can do, you can get the credit top-ups if you want to generate more images. And then finally we have this thing, which is 3 concurrent fast jobs. What is fast job and relaxed job? We will cover it a bit later, but let's see the standard plan. Here you will get the 15 hours of fast generations, unlimited relaxed generations, general commercial terms, access to the member gallery, optional credit top-up, and 3 concurrent fast jobs. So what is the difference between fast jobs and relaxed jobs? Let's come down and see what are the fast hours. We have two modes for image generation. One is the fast and other is relaxed. The fast mode tries to give you a GPU instantly. It is our highest priority processing tier and it is kinda expensive. On the other hand, relax puts you in a queue behind others based on how much you have used the system in the relax mode. The basic plan comes with 200 fast GPU minutes per month, standard with 15 GPU hours per month, and pro with 30 GPU hours per month. 1 hour is roughly 60 image generation. So if you want to just go for the basic plan in order to try it out, then it means you can just get 200 minutes of the image generation and you can divide it, and it is roughly around 3 hours, and in 1 hour it is capable to generate 60 images. Or if you want, you can also give upscale commands and roughly 200 image variation commands. Okay, so this is the capability of 1 hour, where 1 hour is roughly 60 image generations, or upscale commands and roughly 200 image variation commands. So what is this image variation command? If you want to generate some images and it will provide you 4 or 5 different options, then if you want, you can give another command to make some variations and changes to the images that it provides you. So these are basically image variation commands. And here we have this question, which is what is unlimited relax generation? The standard and pro plans include relax mode, which can be enabled with the command /relax and disabled with /fast. In relax mode, your image generation do not consume fast time. So if you have a lot of time, then you can just use /relax so that it selects the relax mode for you and it will not use the fast mode. Only if it is absolute necessary for you and you have some kind of time limitation, then you can use fast hours in order to save them whenever they are needed. It is also giving us this note that basic plan do not include relax mode or max upscale is not available in the relax mode. So that's why the best plan here is the standard plan, because if you want to create some high quality 4K images, then you can easily scale the images in the standard and pro plan whereas the basic plan doesn't have this option. Then there is much more information and you can go through at your own pace. Just read all of these things in order to get started. So these are all of the 3 different plans that Midjourney provide you to get started. We are going to select standard plan for us so that you can follow up along the course. If you want, you can just select the standard. So here we can see once I will provide all this information, I will be into my standard plan. So that's all for this video. I hope that all of the pricing and plan related queries for the Midjourney is now cleared up for you. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.